Hi! In front of me is OPPO A96 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing home screen and lock screen over here. Then you need to tap on home screen mode, scroll down, tap on simple mode and choose apply. Lastly, select switch in the pop-up and as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you can always do that by going into settings and choosing exit simple mode. Lastly, choose exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!